Want to make training fun and exciting for your employees? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a training plan that your team will actually enjoy and maybe even look forward to. As we get started, let me first cover the basics. Like, what exactly is an employee training plan in the first place? Well, it's a detailed program designed specifically for a role, team, or company. AKA, it's your roadmap for success. This plan outlines your training objectives, methods, and strategies. It shows how you'll meet and even exceed expectations. And as a living document, regular updates are essential to keep up with industry standards and company changes. When done right, you're set to empower your team and achieve great results. Let's explore some popular training plan examples to help you get started. First, you might have onboarding training. First impressions matter. An onboarding plan helps new hires settle in quickly and become valuable team members. Product knowledge training is perfect for tech companies, as this plan helps employees learn about new products and technology. And then there's role-specific training, which, as you can guess, is tailored to specific roles. It's ideal for career progression and succession planning. Keep it relevant with feedback from current employees and industry standards. In today's world, you'll definitely need diversity training. It builds a healthy work culture where everyone feels valued. Leadership training or executive training will develop the skills of top managers. It keeps leaders updated on business challenges and helps them motivate their teams. And rounding out with safety training, whether you're in office or remote, safety training covers fire safety, emergency response, protective equipment, and cybersecurity. It's a key part of onboarding too. So now let's train you on how to build it. Every effective training plan begins with clear training goals. Think of them as your North Star, guiding the tools and methods to ensure successful training. Without these goals, your plan may become disjointed and challenging to measure. Consider turning your training goals into SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach ensures your training is precise, intentional, and structured. I'd encourage you to even ask your employees to share their training goals before sessions start. Then afterwards, see if and how well those goals were met. Next, let's talk about training methods and materials. Your training materials should be both engaging and informative. Incorporate visuals like videos, images, and even 3D animated characters to make the content more accessible. Do you need help outlining training methods? Well, Visme's AI writer can generate strategies and structures in seconds. Give it a try in the Visme editor. When deciding on training methods, consider your resources: trainers, time, software, and the ultimate goal of the training. Remember, methods and goals are interlinked. You can't have one without the other. Next, it's time to create a checklist of learning goals in order of priority or foundational structure. Here, you'll want to involve team members, HR, or supervisors in the process. Make it interactive so employees can track their progress. Again, if you're lost with where to begin here, Visme's checklist template can be totally customized to your needs. Outline your training timeline, detailing how long each segment will take, and allow for flexibility for unexpected challenges and varying learning speeds. Next, decide how you'll assess trainees. Assessments occur during and after training, while tests are usually afterward. Inform trainees in advance so they can prepare. And lastly, outline your training budget. Include costs for materials, trainers, and tools. This is essential for justifying training costs to HR or leadership. Calculate your training ROI by adding the total change in profits related to training divided by the training cost. If your percentage is over 100%, you've made back your investment. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to developing an employee training plan. Remember, investing in training is investing in your company's future. And also remember that you don't have to invest as much time as you'd think. There's templates waiting for you right now at visme.com that can help you just as much as this video did. Please be sure to like this video before you go and comment what topic you'd like to see me cover next. See you again soon.